Test, test, 1, 2, 3. Test, test, 1, 2, 3. What's going on, guys? Alrighty. Market reacting instantly to the Fed minutes. We could see that right at 11 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. I'm in Arizona, which is 2 p.m. Eastern Time. We could see that we hit highs of 3%, which is previous highs right around 27.89. Looks like the market's already beginning to pull on back. You can see it right on there. There it goes. And the live stream quality. How is it? There it goes. Market's reacting. All right, can you guys see the live stream okay? If you guys can confirm that you guys can see the live stream, that would be great. Let's see if we continue to show signs of a support here. There it goes. Still showing signs of an uptrend. Still validating the EMA line as a support. Yep, you guys can see it okay? All right, sweet. Alrighty. Looks like the market's reacting instantly to it. All right. There we go. Fomc. It does not look like TQQQ is going to be breaking above that $28 price point. During the or right at market open, about 1 hour after the market opened, we hit overall highs of about $27.90. And it looks like right now, yep, we're tracing back to where we were right before the Fed minutes were released. %4 up in 1 minute, not bad. Let's not say that. Alrighty, I'm here at the HQ. I don't know if you guys could hear, but I have Remy crying. Give me one quick second, guys. I'll leave this for you guys. I am the star of the show. And look, Remy comes. She was crying because she was like, I know that the market's going to draw. Oh my God. Almost. Market's actually dropping. Everything from what it gained today. Yep, there it goes. Now in the red. Yes, Timmy, okay? Yep. There it goes. From being up 3% on the day. Let me go ahead and double check this. Right, Remy? Are you trying to warn us? Yeah, 3% on the day. Watch for potential support here, though. I'm sorry. Are you sad? Are you sad? We got dad duties, but also YouTube duties. Okay? It's okay. it goes. Are you telling me that I need to buy more or sell? What are you telling me? She needs a diaper change? I don't think so, huh? Is Justin upsetting you? Is that what it is? Here it goes. Support on TQQQ back into the green. I don't think you like when I'm yelling, huh? It's okay, mamas. They just wanted me to go live. Let me see. Here it goes. Here it goes. TQQQ going up. Not surprised. That's what we're talking about. If you're in our live trading session today, we were talking about that $27 support on TQQQ, and it looks like it's still valid, right? If you guys go on the 5-minute time frame, you guys should be able to see it a little bit more clear. Not too bad. Let's see which way it goes. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I think it's the... Are you getting upset because someone's spamming Pablo Escobar? Let's go ahead and remove them. Put user on timeout. Huh. We're putting the user on timeout. There we go. There it goes, already indicating signs of a reversal. Thank you for going live. Of course, John. Appreciate you guys tuning on in. Pablo, you need to go back to prison. Oh, a lot of emojis. There it goes. Up 2%. Good job, Remy. Look. You happy? It's good. We're doing good. You're doing great. No? Okay. Love these live streams and having Remy as a bonus. I appreciate that. Here it goes. 2% on the day. TQQQ. One of the things that you guys should be aware of is you guys can look at the 5-minute time frame. TQQQ has had a resistance all day at 24.50. So if you want to lock in profits and if you're already up on your position and your intention was to day trade, just a little heads up, it might not be a bad idea right around 27.40 if you wanted to go ahead and play it a little bit more safe. There it goes, TQQQ going up. I want to see a show of hands. Who's shorting the market and who's going long? For those that are tuning in. Her hair has grown so much. It has, huh? All right, so we have... Oh, sorry, mamas. I didn't mean for you to get scared. I'm a little loud, huh? We have a lot of people going short. Okay. It looks like it's split pretty evenly. I'm just trying to make money. I like that. Aren't we all? There it goes, 27.30. Here it goes. Here comes the drop. We talked about that resistance at 27.40. Let's not be surprised. What's up, homeboy? For those that are not aware what the Fed minutes are, it's pretty just a follow-up. It's almost like a little update on the guidance of what was said earlier in the month. You guys know how every month the Fed meets up in effort to raise interest rate, or not to raise interest rate, that's just been a common thing right now. But they meet up every single month in effort to, you know, moderate inflation. And the Fed minutes is pretty much just a follow-up, more of like a reassurance for investors that whatever they said earlier that month is something that they're still staying true to. It's not very often that the Feds change their mind with the Fed minutes, so it's not really anything crazy that is normally said. But, you know, it's good to follow up, especially more now than ever before. No, wait, Justin, leave it. I want to see that message. He's mad because I have Remy in the live stream? That is hilarious. So we have someone that's upset because I have Remy in this live stream. I don't know if you guys know, Rachel just went back to work. So I brought Remy with me at the HQ today because we have to film a couple of videos. She's fallen asleep. She wasn't in the beginning of the live stream. She started to cry. It's just daddy duties, right? Sorry that upsets you. I know, I'm a dad. I was unaware that accommodating to my baby's needs is frowned upon. My apologies. I'll make sure to not accommodate her to make you happy. That's hilarious. That's the part that cracks me up about people is like if you don't like, let's say my baby in a video, get off the live stream. Get off. I won't even notice you're gone. Simple. Can I get a show of hands of who likes Remy in the live streams? Let's show Remy some love. What do you guys think about Remy? She can't be in every live stream because she did just start to teeth. I don't know if you guys were aware of that. We tried to get her in today's live trading session. But to my understanding, our Learn Plan Profit traders every morning for our daily live trading session love Remy. If having my newborn baby upsets you while we're live streaming the reaction to the Fed minutes, I think you got bigger issues to worry about, buddy. Me having my newborn shouldn't be that much of a concern, but thank you for caring so much about me. Oh, mamas. There you go. Asleep. Check that out. Bada bing, bada boom. Justin, can I pass her over to you? All right. Yeah. And look at all the guys. You know, obviously, it's cool to have her mom and her dad, but to have all the uncles in the mix. Thank you, homeboy. Alrighty. There we go. Remy makes the market. I agree. Remy's my lucky charm. I don't know about you guys, but I do have to say every time that she shows up for one of our live sessions, we do pretty good. We don't do too bad. Here it goes, retesting that same level. There it goes, locking in profits, selling 4,000 shares of TQQQ. Ricky is full of himself now. I'm actually full of my newborn baby. I'm sorry. I am full of her. I don't feel like I've ever been full of myself, but if that's how you feel, then that's how you feel. It cracks me up. Yeah, don't worry. There's just some two people that we just had to remove off of the. I apologize for if these guys bothered any of you guys, but let's be honest, they're pretty irrelevant, right? Short Pablo. Yeah, no, they can't comment anymore. So it's that simple. There it goes. We locked in profits at 27.80, 4,000 shares. For those that were not aware, if you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, I was announcing when I was averaging up into TQQQ today. When it broke above $27, I bought 1,000 shares. I bought a little bit more when it broke above the EMA line and then the moving average, all of that good stuff. So very happy with how today has played out so far. It's not perfect, but it's getting better. So let's see. Love your baby. I appreciate that. Thank you. Please get these losers out of here. Oh, don't worry. It's as easy as a button. I just click a button and they're not allowed comments ever again. So are you at the HQ? I am at the HQ. We're having an in-person session tomorrow at the HQ for any of us that want, for any of you guys that want to join us. So if you guys are part of Learn Plan Profit, you guys get free access to the HQ. So you guys can stop on by tomorrow at 1 p.m. I don't have any of the links, but if you guys are in our Discord, especially if you're part of Learn Plan Profit, just send me a direct message and we'll send you over the info so you can reserve your spot. But it doesn't cost anything. I don't charge anything for these in-person sessions. It's all inclusive for any of our Learn Plan Profit members. So that's going to be at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. tomorrow. These people, you're a great dad, great trader. My respect to you. I appreciate that, Luis. Thank you. Thank you. What do you think about the Amazon split? I think it's long overdue, right? They've announced it a while back. At this rate, with how much it's dropping, they might not have to split, right? This whole week has been choppy. I 100% agree with you. One of the main topics that we talked about in today's live trading is when to make sense of a day worth trading. If direction's in your favor, great. But if the market's super choppy, if you're seeing there to be inconsistencies, sometimes I just don't even trade, right? Because it's not even worth it. Either direction's not in your favor or markets are so choppy that it just doesn't even make sense. Less is more. Anytime that you open yourself up to a position, you're just putting yourself more at risk. And that's something that you will begin to understand with time. That it's not just, hey, I can trade, so I should trade. You'll often find yourself that the more that you force a trade, the more, in my experience, the worse you end up actually performing. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's super important to note, especially as you guys are just getting started. Leave the baby with your wife. Yeah, I mean, today Rachel had a lot of work that she had to catch up on, so I thought I would give her a day off with Remy. She's with Remy every single day, 24/7. I can't even imagine if I was like a single parent. I don't know for all the single parents out there how you guys even do it, but it's insane. Even just with Rachel and I, and we have, babysitters, we have nannies, we have family that helps us, and it's still super difficult. So that's the whole point. That's one thing that I've definitely learned as I've gotten older, the importance of being there for your partner, right? So yeah. I love having Remy with me. You guys think that I actually get bothered by what these people have to say? There's like 100 of you that are on my side versus every one person that says something just to get a reaction from me. If anything, it actually makes me look like a better person, right? Because it makes them look super shitty. It cracks me up. I don't know, it makes me laugh. No, it literally makes me laugh. You think I'm going to get offended by these people? Yeah. Is your Instagram back? It is back. I only have one Instagram account. It should be linked down below if you guys want to follow, and you guys can message me at any time. Also, our free Discord group is down below as well. Little heads up, I'm telling you this as someone that's invested in TQQQ. I want to look out for all of you guys. There's a resistance level at $28. It got rejected right at market open. It sold off to lows of $27, and it's trying to retest. I'm just making you aware that it's a very, very strong resistance level. It's not that TQQQ can't break above. It's then asking yourself the question, is it more ideal to lock in profits versus getting rejected and then giving back all of the profits that you already made? TQQQ has been struggling. It's been more bearish than it has been bullish. So because of that, just please make sure that you look out for yourself. I'm not going to be like any of the AMC people or the GME people that tell you to hold because I'm holding. I don't care what my intention is. My job is to look out for you. And if you want to lock in profits because that's what makes sense for you, then 100% I'm here to encourage you to do what's best for yourself. And I hope that you guys know that. Oh my God, you guys are roasting these people in the comments. You guys crack me up. There it goes, 3% on the day, TQQQ. Again, if you guys are enjoying this live session, if it's not too much to ask, we'd really appreciate the thumbs up. AMC is garbage. I agree. AMC is a great momentum play. It's a great day trade when momentum and direction are in your favor. Other than that, I do agree it's a completely trash stock, just like GME, right? From a scale of 1 to 10, if you think that this is the market bottom, I like that. So 10 meaning that I think that this is the market bottom, I would say like a 7. I would say that we're pretty close. I'm not certain that the market is at the bottom, which is why I'm not fully invested in any of my positions, right? And let's be honest, our job is not to predict the future. Our job is simply to prepare. So this is why all I've been trying to do, especially with our Learn Plan Profit members, is every day remind them how important it is to show up every day, regardless of what the market is doing, in effort to prepare for the market recovery. Not predict, not find the bottom. It's not about that. But when the market recovers, that you're ready to strike. I think that's what's most important. How do you decide how to look at the day at the open? It's not really so much at the open. The open really doesn't tell you much because there's a lot of volatility right at market open. Would you guys agree? Actually, if anything, it's 30 minutes to maybe an hour when things begin to kind of, become less choppy, that you begin to see a more consistent direction, either consistent bullish pattern or consistent bearish pattern. If the market is still choppy, then that's a red flag and be like, hey, this is just not my day. There's so many days that I can choose to take advantage of an opportunity. It's okay to sit out on a couple of them if they don't meet your criteria. So not a good time to buy and hold. Not a good time to buy and hold, or maybe one of the best times to buy and hold. I guess it's all perspective, right? It's all relative depending on your intention. If you're trying to make money right now, probably not a good time to buy and hold. If you're trying to buy now to invest into the future, markets are very cheap. Yes, they can get cheaper, but markets are very cheap. So again, it's all relative to what your intention is. What do you think about tomorrow's GDP? I think it's going to be pretty interesting, right? This is something that a lot of people have been anticipating. I'll have to follow up, and maybe we can even host the live stream then. Here it goes, retesting $28 a share. We are testing. We just broke market opens highs, or there it goes. We just made new highs, 27.92. We just broke above the highs that we made 1 hour after the market opened. Here it goes. Can we break $28? What do you guys think? Are we going to be able to break above $28? Or there it goes, TQQQ above 27.93, 27.93, 3.9% on the day. Not too shabby. 4% on the day. There it goes, $28 a share. 4% on the day. TQQQ. One of the things that I want to make you guys aware of on the 1 hour time frame. I'm telling you this as someone that's invested in TQQQ. I just want you guys to be aware. Resistance level at the moving average since the beginning of April at $29 a share. You guys see this? If you guys zoom out, do your own due diligence, almost every single time since the beginning of April, it's been getting rejected off of this moving average. I just want you guys to be aware of that. $28 a share, 4%. There it goes. Testing 28. We just broke above. We just broke above. Ricky, please notice me. Are you trading options? I personally do not trade options. I choose to not trade options. I view it to be a little bit too risky for me. But just, Adam, I'm telling you this openly. Just because I don't do something never means that you shouldn't try it. If you want to learn more about options, I encourage you to learn more about it. I just want you to become aware that it is, yes, higher risk, higher reward. So do it in a way that makes sense. Don't go all in. You know, there's so many memes of people that start off very strong and then just lose it all because they have no form of risk management or understanding of what they're doing. If you're going to do something, do it right. Focus on the learning part. The making money part comes later. I wish you nothing but the best. Of course, Adam, I appreciate you tuning in. Hope that I earn your thumbs up, man. And that's all she wrote. It's dropping after 28. Honestly, Carlos, or what is it? Well, I don't know how to pronounce. Johal, it would not surprise me if it drops at $28. Let's be honest. Would you be surprised if the market all of a sudden begins to drop? Probably not, right? I wouldn't be too surprised. I wanted to actually ask you guys, what do you think of being able to host a free live trading session maybe this Friday? I mean, we have about 1,000 of you here in this live stream, right? About 1,300, 1,400, not bad. What would you guys think? Would you guys want me to host a free live trading session? What do you guys think? Should we? It's up to you guys. I would love to. I trade live every single day at Market Open with our Learn Plan Profit group. If you guys want me to host a free live trading session, let's leave it up to you guys. If this video gets over 1,000 likes, because I'm going to leave this video up. We have over 1,000 of you guys here. If you guys want me to host a free live trading session, drop a thumbs up. If this video gets over 1,000 likes, I'll host a free live trading session on Friday at Market Open. Does that sound good? We'll go live for about an hour and a half. We'll have some fun. That will be our free once a month live stream. What do you guys think? Good idea? It's up to you guys. You guys killed it. You guys got this video in about 3 hours to 1,000 likes. I truly do appreciate it. I'm glad that we went live. Now, let's see if we can go live on Friday. So again, I'm really glad that I still reduced my position size at $28. I played it a little bit safe and I locked it in right around $27.70. And it looks like right now it's trading at around $28 a share. All right. Like the video. You guys cracked me up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I don't want to take too much of your guys' time today. Feel free to refresh your screen. You guys can refresh it. And the link in the description will actually send, the first link will actually send you on over to our free trading group chat. So if you have any questions, if you like what you saw today, and you simply want to ask me questions, especially if you're an absolute beginner, I do respond to all of my direct messages. I do prioritize my Learn Plan Profit members first, but you know, just shoot me a message and I'll get to you when I do. And again, I'm looking forward to potentially hosting our free live trading session this Friday at Market Open. So I don't even know how, I don't think it tells me how many likes we are at, but I appreciate your guys' time. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Looks like TKKK was doing pretty well today. If you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, make sure that you guys head on over to Discord. I'll be showing you guys an update on my position. I did pretty well today. I'm excited to share it with you guys. If you guys are not part of our Learn Plan Profit group just yet, whenever you're ready, the second link in the description, it's a $100 off coupon. You don't have to sign up, but if you've been waiting for a big discount, it's one of our biggest discounts, $100 off, second link in the description. I appreciate your guys' time. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a